Hey guys, welcome to today's video. I'm pretty excited. I'm drawing Miss Meow from Stumble Guys. Hope you can follow along. Starting with a construction line of an oval for a head. And then I'm just going to sketch in some ears. Now she's going to be looking this way. So this is going to be the center of her head here. And I'm just constructing her up so that I can get her all on the page and I can get her looking good. Now her head compared to her body is slightly shorter than this actual part here, so let's just map on where her shoulders are going to be. Yep, so directly underneath there is her arm, and then her body comes in like this, and that's basically her other shirt. Her arm comes down to about there. That's where her paw. Her other paw and her arm is going to be here. This is where her belt is going to be. This is one leg. Okay, that's where one foot's going to be. And this is where her leg would come up into there. And then this is where her other leg's going to come down. And then around like that. I'm going to add the details with a 0.5 multi-liner. So let's start with the ear. So it's a rounded triangle almost, or an angle there. And then her head comes around. Now this curves down and around here, and you don't see her little part on that side that you see on this side. So this side here, it comes up and then out and then back in and around like this. And then she has an extra couple, 1, 2 there, but you don't see them much on that side. And on each side she has 2 whiskers, so let's flick them out. Don't draw them, flick them. So press down and then lift up as you go out. Because if you just hold the same pressure, you'll end up with just the same line. So drag and then lift up. Drag and then lift up. And you get those tapered lines there. Now this steps in, comes up and around to there. And then so does this one, comes up and around like that for where her nose is going to be. And then her nose is a sort of rounded triangular shape with a mouth, a little cute cat mouth there. And some of the other details will come in when we do the colouring. That's an ear. Now the ears, you should be able to see this line here. And this one, because you see more of at the front of it, it's got a bit of 2 lines like that, and then there's another line there. Notice how I flick those ones as well. Now her eyes are rounded rectangles, I like to call them, and then she's got 2 little eyelashes. 1, 2, flick them out, little flicks off there. Same for this side, except for you're going to go this way. 1, 2, colour that in. Looks good if you colour it in now, so you know, see whether you're happy with your drawing. Notice how I've got her heads, you can see way more this side than the other side. Right, we've got a neck on here into a V. Now she's got her shirt coming out. She's wearing a beautiful t-shirt, nice colour. Comes down, bring this side down. Now she's got a belt here, so I'm going to draw that with a rectangle, like so, and then the belt comes in and around. So we want to make it come around like that, and the same on the other side. And you can see a little bit of a tail there, so behind, but I'm going to bring her pants on first. 1, and then put a hemline there, and then I'm just going to put a bit of a bumpy sort of tail there. Other shorts on the other side. So this one you can see inside, so you can see a leg coming out. So a leg comes out like this, and the short goes in and around. This one you can't, but this is, they've got a line like that, and then a line there. Now we've got to draw her feet coming down, and this is the one at first paw or toe, and this is her next paw, and then her next paw comes down and in. Now she's got a line across here, and it comes up. Now she actually does have some claws, so you can put some little claws in like this. And the same on this side, this one comes down and around, and again around like that, and then around and then back in. And there's a line across there. I'm going to draw her paws in, claws, sorry, two. This one's more straight on, and you can make these come around if you want to as well. Her arm comes around, and she's got her paws. 1, 2, 3 like that, and then she's got a line there. And let's draw her other shirt, part of her shirt. Her shoulder comes out and around like that, so try and keep them the same. Then her arm comes down, 1 paw, 2, 3, and then her arm. And that's where it's darker there. I'm just going to go ahead and thicken around her up to make her look even better. I'm just going to speed that up.